Like not picking up power, misfiring? It's time to upgrade your ignition. Presenting the Lumax Capacitor Discharge Ignition. Designed for fast, powerful, and consistent engine sparks. Lumax offers a wide product range, ensuring the right CDI for almost every two-wheeler model. It's built with low power consuming, high efficiency circuits, giving you smoother performance without draining your battery. And the quality? It matches strict OEM standards, so you get perfect compatibility and trusted reliability. Plus, the hassle-free fitment makes installation quick, clean, and effortless. Lumax CDI, power that responds. Performance you can trust.